Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to format a USB flash drive, also known as a pendrive, using Command Prompt in Windows. Let's get started. Before formatting, ensure all valuable data on the USB drive is backed up. Search for CMD, then right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. This gives you the necessary permissions. In the Command Prompt window, type Diskpart and press Enter. Type List Disk and hit Enter. You'll now see all drives connected to your computer. Identify your USB drive by its size and type Select Disk 4, replacing 4 with your drive number. Be very careful not to choose your main hard drive. To erase everything on the USB, type Clean, then press Enter. Type Create Partition Primary to create a new partition. Now type Format FS equals ntfs quick to format the drive quickly in ntfs format. If you prefer FAT32, just replace ntfs with FAT32. Finally, type Exit, then press Enter again to close Command Prompt. And that's it! You've successfully formatted your pen drive using Command Prompt. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips.